Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Son of Mughal Emperor Zahiruddin Babur, Emperor Humayun lost his throne to the option A. Jalaluddin Akbar. Which Islamic scholar practically opposed Akbari's so-called Deen-e-Ilahi? The option B. Hazrat Sheikh Ahmad Sirhindi. After the 1857 War of Independence, the Mughal king of Delhi, Bahadur Shah, was deported by the British to the option B. Rangoon. Which British officer shot and killed three of Bahadur Shah Zafar's sons during the 1857 War of Independence? The British officer name was William Hudson. In which year did the Hindi-Urdu controversy start? In option A in 1867. Who founded the Arya Samaj in India? The option D. Dayananda Saraswati. Indian National Congress was founded on the initiative of the option B. A. O. Hume. Who was the first president of the All India Muslim League? The option C. Sir Aga Khan. Sayyid Ahmad Shahid along with the Shahid Ismail were martyred in a battle with the Sikhs at the option D. Balakot. Who made the official announcement of the annulment of the partition of Bengal in 1911? The option D. King George V. ये भी पहले एक दो पेपर्स में पास्ट में आ चुका है. In which pact did the leaders of the Congress and the Muslim League agree on constitutional reforms in India, including separate electorate for Muslims? The option C. Lucknow Pact. In 1927, the British Parliament appointed a commission to report on the working of diarchy in Indian provinces. Who was the head of this commission? The option is Sir John Simon. In August 1932, which British Prime Minister announced the famous communal award granting separate electorates to depressed classes in India? The option B. Ramsay MacDonald. Who was the Prime Minister of Great Britain when Pakistan and India gained independence? The option A. Clement Attlee. Who wrote the national anthem of India? The option A. Rabindranath Tagore. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah started legal practice in and became the first Muslim barrister in the city. The option C. Mumbai. Quaid-e-Azam's daughter Dina decided to marry Nevali Wadia against her father's wishes, which led to a lifelong estrangement between the two. What was Nevali Wadia by way of religion? The option A. Parsi. What was the title of Allama Iqbal's PhD thesis? The option B. The development of metaphysics in Persia. Who played the pivotal role in the founding of Upwa? The option A. Begum Rana Liaquat Ali. The Indian Independence Act 1947 was mainly based on the recommendations made by the option D. The Mountbatten Plan. After the assassination of Liaquat Ali Khan, the Governor General of Pakistan took over as Prime Minister. Who was appointed as the Governor General? The option C. Ghulam Muhammad. Name the incident that took place in January 1971, which provided an excuse to India to ban all Pakistani flights over India territory. Territory. The option C. Hijacking of Indian aircraft to Pakistan. After removal of the Nawaz Sharif government in 1999, Pervez Musharraf took office of the option D. Chief Executive. In the Battle of Ohd, Hinda mutilated the body of Hazrat Hamza Radiallahu ta'ala anha and chewed his liver. Hinda was the wife of the option B. Abu Sufyan. During the Battle of Ohd, most of the archers appointed by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam left their designated place, who took advantage and attacked the Muslims and turned the fortunes. The option A. Khalid bin Walid. Name of the youngest daughter of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The option D. Hazrat Fatima radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. What is the meaning of Bakara? The option C. Cow. What was the name of the camel on which the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was riding while migrating to Medina? The option C. Kaswa. At which place did the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam became the Imam of all the prophets during Miraj? The option A. Masjid al-Aqsa. Umrah can be performed at any time throughout the year except 9th to 11th Zilhaj. In which surah of Holy Quran essentials of wuzu given? The option B. The option B. Al-Ma'idah. Who signed the Treaty of Hudaybiyah on behalf of the Quraysh? The option B. Suhail bin Amr. Who was the first among the Muslims to conquer northern Africa? He also established the city Kairouan. The option D. Uqba bin Nafi. How many marlas are there in 1 acre? The option C. 160 marlas. How many furlongs make 1 mile? The option C. 8. On 25 September 2015, the UN Sustainable Development Summit adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, which included a set of Sustainable Development Goals. How many goals have been included in the SDGs? The option B. 17. The Millennium Development Goals were adopted in 2000. How many goals were identified in the MDGs? The option A. 8. Human Development Index is a widely accepted indicator to measure the overall well-being of a country. Who was the man behind the establishment of Human Development Index? The option B. Mahbubul Haq. Gross national happiness has been proposed as one of the indicators to measure the overall well-being of a country. Gross national happiness as an indicator was proposed by the option D. Bhutan. Population of vultures in Pakistan is declining at a very high ratio, and efforts are being made for conservation of this endangered bird. What is the main cause of declining vultures population? The option C. Widespread use of diclofenac in livestock. Atabad Lake in Gilgit-Baltistan was formed due to a massive landslide, which blocked the river for almost months. The option C. Hunza. Who was Pakistani's first civilian chief martial law administrator? The option D. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The affairs of the cooperative societies in Pakistan are regulated under Cooperative Societies Act 1925 and Cooperative Societies Rules of the option B Rules of 1927. Who is the Minister for Cooperative in the Government of Punjab? The option A Malik Muhammad Iqbal Channa. Who was the first post-independence Chief Minister of Punjab? The option C Iftikhar Hussain Khan Mamdod. Squadron leader M. Alam was an ace fighter pilot in Pakistan Air Force for his bravery in 1965, where he was awarded the option C Sitara-e-Jurrat. Rial is currency of the option A Saudi Arabia. One of the most prominent poets of Pakistan, Faiz Ahmad Faiz, won which international award in 1962? The option B Lenin Peace Prize. The option B Lenin Peace Prize.